All right, here we are. We're gonna try to get the attempted repair on the back slope. So let's see, if we can get it done without creating any damage.
Can you mark out the area that we're going to be doing?
Mark out the area right here. So we're gonna be taking out this.
And that shingle to that left is also damaged as well. But let's just do the one.
Yeah. Right there.
What's happening to the shingle as you're doing this?
It's coming. The tool is coming straight out. It's making holes on the shingle.
So are you saying that the tack strip behind her is ripping the shingle?
It's ripping the shingle.
Yes, I can see. I can see it right there. Hold on. Let me get a close up. Oh, that's very close. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's poking holes.
It's tearing. I can see it. It's tearing straight through. Oh, that's yeah. That's just destroying the shingle below it too.
Destroying the shingle. So that shingle is not good anymore. This one too.
Okay, I see them. Yeah, continue to replace it, and we'll discuss what you find.
Yeah, because it's pretty hot up here right now. I don't want to.
Well, already I can see damage to the.
Damage.
That's right. Damage,
Right here.
damage. Yes.
Plus, that's the transparent right here.
Yes, I see it. So that shingle will never stick again.
No.
It'll never stick because it has material transfer from the shingle below.
Yep.
Yes, every single one of them.
They're all the same.
So this is, in other words, what are you trying to tell us about that shingle? What will happen to it in the future?
We'll get another windstorm and it's gonna rip all the shingles off
Because it won't adhere?
Because they're never gonna stick back together. So
Okay.
yeah.
Now you need a snake tool?
Yeah. Yeah, but the thing is, the nail's not gonna go straight. Still gotta use the hammer.
Can you use the bottom of the snake tool to hit it?
Can, but
It looks like you're putting a crease.
yeah, it's not working.
Okay. What is happening when you're wiggling that snake tool to pull it out from underneath the nail?
Oh, it's scratching the roof and taking the granules off.
Okay.
So
All right. Now that you attempted a repair, can you give us what do you see as a pro and a con to
there's
this?
creasing right here. This shingle has creasing.
Right.
There's another one right here.
You got a tear,
And it's a tear off
and that's because of the snake tool.
because of the snake tool. Because of this tool right here. Same thing right here. The tool, when I was trying to lift this one.
Yes, it's very clear the damage.
Yeah. So also right here, this one has creasing. You can see. Plus
I see it.
the bottoms they're all, they won't stick back together. And I'm not lifting the shingles more than 30 degrees, so that's 30. I don't want to go 40 because if I go 40, and then it is gonna
Right.
create damage.
It's very obvious that
Yeah.
the roof is of such an age that a repair is
Just from
it creates
walking,
more damage than it does
Yeah.
than you're fixing.
Just from walking on this roof, as you can see, it's it's losing. all
Well,
the
I can see the
granules.
granule.
The granules are coming off just from walking on the
Here,
roof.
look at this. This is all the granules just from you walking on this. So just the walking creates damage.
All this.
Yes.
So yeah, no, this roof is not repairable.
In your professional opinion, this roof is not
It's
repairable?
not repairable.
Okay.
I can't guarantee my job, my work, so it's not repairable.
All right. I'm going to shut this off.